Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to quickly change the line spacing in Microsoft Word. I just typed the paragraph by RAND function. RAND. I need 2 paragraph and 5 lines. Press enter. Here is a 2 paragraph and I want to space between 2 lines. Just select all 2 paragraph and press Ctrl 2 for double spacing. Just press Ctrl 2. Now you can see here between 2 lines there is a double space. I need 1.5 space. Just press Ctrl 5. Ctrl 5. It will display 1.5 space between 2 lines. You can see here. If I need a single space, just press Ctrl 1. It's a single space between 2 lines. Just see here, Ctrl 2 for double line, Ctrl 5 for 1.5 space, Ctrl 1 for single space. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.